Hey guys, I'm gonna try to move this shipping container by hand. My goal is to get this container as close as possible to this container. So I'm gonna use a couple of come-alongs to try to move it over. And I already rigged it up. And I'm gonna use this one. This is a Wyeth, I think it's called more power puller. And it's capable of pulling 3 tons. And I use a pulley, then you double the force. And I use a couple of 2x6 under so I don't hurt the asphalt. And I recently painted this container, so that's why I needed the space between those. And I have the same setup on the backside, but I only have one of the more power puller. So here I just use a regular come-along. And I have a 2x4 to protect this container. And it's rigged like this. And I also use double line here. Then you double the force. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Okay, so this is no problem at all. And I ran into a little problem because I want to have this container lining up with this. And I have to reposition the winch and pull it forward. But first I have to take this out. And I need to move the tractor. Okay, so I will try to pull it forward now. And I connected it here. And I still have the winch on the back side, so it won't pull out this way. And this isn't working, it's just pulling both containers this way. And I have a lot of tension on this. I have to get the pull more this way instead of this way. Okay, so next try. I have a strap connected in the tree to the winch and in the container. So now I get a more directional pull. This strap is not in the best condition. It has some damage. You always have to be prepared if anything breaks. And I'm adding an extension to get some more force, because this thing is not moving. It's so much force on this, and I'm afraid it can break because it has some damages. So I just add some jackets in case this breaks. Okay, so that did the trick. I was pulling like this when it came. It was probably something that had binded up, because I had a lot of force on that winch. And I am doing some fine tuning on the position. When I pull so hard on this, both containers move a bit to the side, so I will try to pull them back. And the last thing is to take out the 2x6. And I'm doing some final adjustments. I want to line this up with this. It's about 2 centimeters, a bit less than 1 inch. And that's good. Okay, so this came out nice. It shows that you can move this around just with manpower. I also have a lot of other videos like this, so make sure to subscribe and go and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.